Hi, welcome to aryanz.co.in. In today's 3 minutes tutorial, let's see how to check if port already in use in Unix. Yeah, in certain times you might be wondering how to check or what port is being used when you're developing any Spring Boot application or any other application where you want to specify a port. Uh, so to do that, we are going to use netstat fen. So this is the parameters I'm just passing, and I'm using a pipe symbol, then grep, and I'm just searching it for 3306. I just want to ensure that my SQL Server instance is running on this port. Yes, so if you see here, so this is my local host IP address 127.0.0.1 and the port number is 3306. Yes, so it is running, and this is the command we have used it. So same wise, you if you just want to see all the port what are being used, you just need to use netstat space hyphen tulpn and press enter. It just lists out what are the ports being used. So it's using the port 53, it is using 631 3306, blah 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 blah, so on. Certain Unix machine does not support this command, so what you can do is alternately we can use ss space and you can pass the same parameters tulpn. It's pretty much give you the same output. It's just the difference is here you don't see the process or process informations here. If you want to view the process informations, probably you need to pass sudo. Yes, so the reason being, if you see at the initial when we ran this command, it gave a warning: not all process could be identified, not own process info not be shown. You would have been root to see all. So it's because we don't have a root permission and we did not run this command on root mode, so it did not listed the process informations, process ID, process name. So when I ran the same command prefix with sudo, then I'm able to see. So sudo is pretty much used for running your command in root mode. So even after running prefix sudo with the ss command, I can see the process ID and the process name details here. So if you see here, the process ID is 5314 and the MySQLD is the process name, and 3306 is the instance it is running. Well, I hope you learned how to check the port used in a Unix machine. We'll see you in the another 3 minutes video. Bye bye.